Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss different errors which we do in for loop. This is the basic prototype of any Java program. We write import, then class, then public static void main and scanner. After that, let us declare the variable int I and I will run the for loop for I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. We know how for loop works. We have already discussed this in my previous video. You can have a look working of for loop. Now here how for loop will go? It will go from 1 to 5. I is equal to 1, then it will become 2, then it will become 3, then it will become 4 and then 5. And I am printing the simple message hello. What am I doing inside for loop? I am simply printing hello message 5 times. Let us run the program. See, hello message came 5 times. The important point, or we can say key point in for loop is whenever you write plus plus or we can say increment, then always use less than sign. Now increment can be by 1 or you can write I is equal to I plus 10 or you can write I is equal to I plus 5, whatever. If it is increment, then always use less than sign. And if it is decrement, decrement means if we decrease the value of I is equal to I minus 10, then always use greater than sign. This is very important to note down. If you don't follow, then definitely there are two possibilities. Either it won't go in the loop or infinite situations. Let us run this program. Right now it is proper program. What I said, if there is increment less than sign, but let us check with greater than sign. What will happen? Let us try to solve without executing. Let us do it. Value of I is 1. 1. Is it greater than 5? No, no. So it will come out of the for loop and program will not execute. It will come out of the for loop and program will not execute. We compiled and we run. See, nothing happened. Nothing is printed. Right? Let us run again. So you will see again. Let us compile. Let us run. Nothing is printed. Why? Because it did not go into the for loop. Now if I write minus minus. Whenever you use minus minus, then which sign? Greater than sign, right? Now again, what will happen here? What do you think what will happen? 1. Is 1 greater than 5? No, it won't go. But see, if I write here 10, so is 10 greater than 5? Yes, 10 is greater than 5. So what will happen? It will go into the body, then value of I will become 9 and so on. Let us run this again. What happens? Hello came how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Instead of that, let us print I, so you will come to know properly what changes are happening inside I. I compiled and then I will run. See, it will become 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 5. So total 6 times the loop will run. But here if I write plus plus, what we discussed just now, if you write plus plus, then it should be always less than sign. But if I am writing greater than sign, then what will happen? First case we saw where program did not work. This is the second case where what will happen? Let's run. Let us compile. Oh, what is happening? It went into the infinite loop. Why infinite loop? Let's see. From where it started? Let's check. It started from 10. See, I'm showing the program. Value of 10, is it greater than 5? Yes. 10 will be printed. Then it will become 11. 11, is it greater than 5? Yes, 11 is greater than 5. Then value of I will become 12. 12 is greater than 5? Yes, it is greater than 5. So every number after 10 is greater than 5. So it will go on. So it will go into the infinite loop. So important point to note down in for loop is when you write plus plus here or increment here, then you have to write less than sign. Secondly, if you are writing decrement here, suppose if you are doing minus minus, then always remember to put greater than sign, and then based on the situation, based on the question, you can proceed further. I hope it works.